Hello everyone, this is Rahman. Yeah, today we are going to discuss regarding the compounding techniques or future value techniques. Okay, over here, what we have discussed in our previous class, how to find out for the 1 year, okay, future value for the 1 year and n number of years. Now today I will be discussing with the help of the problem. Okay, the help of the problem we will be discussing. Just there we have discussed the formulas. Now we will be discussing about the with the help of the digits, and we will try to find out what exactly the amount is, how to find out the things. Now we will be starting. Okay, over here in this problem, in this way, what they have said is an individual who has given 200 rupees today can wait for a year. Okay, he has given 200 rupees, and at a rate of 5 interest rate of 5%, he will be getting rupees 210 after a year. Okay, 5%, the principal amount is 200, interest per annum is 5%, so that after a year he will be getting 210 rupees. Okay, so in that way it has mentioned. So now we need to find out for the second year. Okay, first of all, to find out for the first year, generally it is clearly mentioned like 200 210 he will be getting. Okay, but is it exactly right or not, we will be seeing like this. Fv is equals to 1, Fv future value first year is equals to v0 into 1 plus I stands for interest rate. So if we find out in this way, we will be getting this 210 rupees. Okay, this is the fv1, this is fv1. Okay, this is fv1. Now for the second year, if he stands for the second years, okay, if he is thinking for the second year by paying 200 rupees, okay, so how much he will be getting after a 2 years? To find out that one, we need to undergo in this way. Like in the first year, he will be getting this 210 rupees. So with the help of this 210 rupees, we need to just substitute the values into this. FV2 means future value second year is equals to V1. V1 in the sense this one, this amount 210 rupees. This amount is to be written over here. Then 1 plus I stands for interest rate, that is 5%, you know very well. So this thing is to be substituted. V1 is equals to 210, I stands for interest rate. If we find out, if we just substitute the things in this way, like v1 plus I, v1 into 1 plus I is equals to 210 into 1 plus 0.05, that is percentage interest rate percent, that is to be mentioned. Then when we multiply this thing, we will be getting this answer. Okay, in this way. This is about first year and second year. Okay, now if we wanted to find out for the n number of years, like n it has mentioned, like for the 10 years. Okay, we are finding out for the 10 years, what we need to do? Fv, okay, future value after 10 years. Okay, after 10 years, what exactly we need to do? Fv10. Okay, this should be like this. This should be 10. Fv10 is equals to v0 into 1 plus I into n. So Fv10, this is, we need to find out Fv10, what exactly the Fv10? We don't know Fv10 what exactly is. At the end of the thing, when we calculate, we will be finding. So we don't have this one, so whatever we are having, we are writing v0 value at the beginning, principal amount, whatever the principal amount is 200, we need to mention over here. Okay, at what rate? 5% rate. Okay, 1 plus 0.05 whole power 10, whole power 10. Okay, whole power 10, you just make it simplified, it will become 1.05. Okay, 200 into 1.05 whole power 10. If you know how to find out in the scientific calculator, it's good. If not, if you don't have the scientific calculator, in general calculator as well, it is very easy to find out. What you need to do, like 1.05 multiply, okay, 1.05 multiply, then press equal to 9 times, okay, 9 times. Whatever the value will come, you just multiply with this 200, you will be getting this answer. Okay, what you need to do, 1.05 into equals to 9 times, so you will be getting this answer. If you multiply with this 200, you will be getting this answer. Okay, it is in the general calculator. If it is a scientific calculator, you will be having directly roots. So with that roots, you will be having a power button, so that in that you can find out easily. In the mobile phones, you will be finding like this option. How is you have to type? You have to type 200 into 1.05, then close, multiply this way, then it will come like this. If then press equals to, you will be getting answer. Okay, these are the ways through which you will be getting the answer for this. Okay, hope you people have understood. Thank you.